Guys, it's surgery day. Hello guys! I'm here in the hospital and I'm freaking out, honestly. But it's fine. Look at my super outfit over here. They just got here because they told me I'm supposed to be ready for surgery, but I'm not. Like literally I'm just like walking around. So we'll see how it goes, but yeah, I'm excited. Today is finally the day. I'm getting surgery. I'm here with my whole family, so that's good. Hello guys. Here I am again. Hello everybody, I just got out of surgery and I feel really good. It went really good actually. It was like so smooth and stuff. I'm a little weird because of the anesthesia because of the anesthesia, but it's fine. And yeah, right now I'm just gonna stay here the whole day. I'm gonna sleep here and probably tomorrow I'm gonna walk. I mean not walk, but get out of here. So yeah, it was pretty fun actually. I was talking with the doctors all the time, so it was fun. This little machine I have over here is helping me to start flexing and bending my knee, and yeah, so it's actually not bad. It doesn't really hurt at all. Maybe just because I'm still on some anesthesia or something, but that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing for the first weeks. So it's just this. Just bending and straightening my knee. So all of this is for my knee not to get stiff after surgery, because what happens is that they took one part of my tendon, so they place it where the ligament used to be. This tendon takes all the characteristics of a ligament. I don't really know how it works, like I'm no doctor and anything. So that's exactly what happens. So the tendon is way stronger and thicker than the ligament. So this is why they start right away to start bending and straightening for this tendon to get all of those qualities that it needs. Hello guys, I got out of surgery like 3 hours ago, I think. Yeah, I think so, I'm not sure. And right now it's actually hurting so bad. Like I feel my legs again, I feel my body again. The anesthesia is gone, so that's why it's hurting so bad. Even though I already went through this once, I really didn't think it was this bad. And it's just starting. This is the worst part, that this is just starting, but it's fine. It's fine. I just really want to move. But it's okay. So, bye guys. So now it's pretty late. Actually, it's not that late, it's like 9-10 o'clock. But I'm ready to go to bed. I'm so ready, I'm so tired. It was pretty painful at the end, it was really bad. Like, you've seen me in so many different moods already. But it's fine. It's okay. So right now I'm just gonna go to bed. And that's it. It was surgery today. I'm done for the day, and I couldn't be so much happier, even though it hurts bad, but everything's worth it. Everything is worth it. morning, everybody. This is the next day after surgery, and I'm ready to leave. Last night was really painful. It was so bad, but it's done. It's done, and today I feel really good. But I don't think it's gonna be worse than that, so I already went through it. So it's not gonna be that bad. My exercises are kind of painful, but at the same time, I have to do them, and I'm just ready to go back to my house. Seriously, like, it was fun, but it's over. They also told me that I'm not gonna be able to walk for 4 weeks. 4 weeks, just crutches and me. So that's gonna be fun. But after that, I should be good to start walking. So hopefully, whenever I go back to school, I'm gonna be able to bike to get places and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much where I am right now. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This was my day of surgery. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
Nos acompaña la rat.
The rat. The rat. The rat. Here we are with my best friends who came here to Guadalajara to see me.
Faltan 5 minutos, entonces yo diría que...
Bye.